This side of our pattern paper will be the center front. So I will write center front. On the top side of the pattern paper, I will square to mark our guideline. Now we will start to draw the neckline curve. From the center front on the guideline, we place the tip of the tape measure and go in 2.5 inches or 6.4 centimeters, which we can round off to 6.5. Just make sure that you use the same conversion for the back pattern. We mark this, and from this mark, we will square down. Then we will go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We will mark this. Now we will go down 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters, which we can round off to 7.5. We mark this and we square this outwards. Then we will go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We mark this. From the corner, we will go up 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. This is on a diagonal manner. Now, with all these points, we can connect this with a slightly round curve line. We now have the neckline curve. For the medium figure, the shoulder measurement is 15 inches or 38 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center front on the guideline and we mark 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. Then we will square this downwards with a colored pencil to 10 inches or 25.5 centimeters. Then we will get the shoulder slope. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline on 1/2 of the shoulder measurement and we go down 1 3/4 inches or 4.5 centimeters. We mark this. Then we will connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now we have our neckline curve and our shoulder line. For the medium figure, we need to make a neckline adjustment. And we do this after we have established our shoulder line. This way we don't alter the angle of our shoulder line. So from here, we will go out 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. And from this point, we will go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. And from this point, we will go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. Then we will connect all these points with a slightly round curve line. Okay. Now we will cross out the previous neckline curve. So this now will be our neckline curve and our shoulder line. Now we will get the armhole level. For the medium figure, the armhole level is 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline on 1/2 of the shoulder measurement and we go down to 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters. Then we will square this outwards. So now we have the armhole level, which is also the bust level. So we can get the bust measurement. The bust measurement for medium figure is 34 inches or 86.5 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the bust measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center, on the bust level, and we mark 1/4 of the bust measurement. Then, we will add 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters for bust easing. Actually, we borrowed this 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeter bust easing from the back bodice pattern. So when we draft the back bodice pattern, we will have to subtract this measurement. Please remember this. Now we will cross this out, as we will have the bust easing in addition to the bust measurement. Now we will get the front chest level. We do this by laying the tip of the tape measure on the tip of the shoulder slope, and we fold the tape measure until the bust level. We mark the center. This now will be the front chest level. We will square this outwards. The front chest measurement is 13 inches or 33 centimeters for the medium figure. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the front chest measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center, on the front chest level, and we mark the front chest measurement. As you can see, the front chest measurement should be for a sleeveless blouse 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters away from 1/2 of the shoulder measurement. So if you forget or you don't have the front chest measurement, just go in 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters or even 3/4 of an inch or 2 centimeters. Just find out which is better for your figure size or for your particular figure. With these 3 points, I can actually draw our armhole curve. But I will give you more points to work on. From here, we can go down 3/4 of an inch or 1.9 centimeters, which we can round off to 2 centimeters. Then, we will square this down with a broken line. Actually, what we need is the corner or the right angle here. We need this right angle or corner so that we can go up to get the height of the curve for the armhole. For a medium figure, we can go up 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Actually, this is just a guide. It will also depend on the bust measurement. Like for the medium figure, the bust measurement is 34 inches or 86.5 centimeters to 35.5 inches or 90.5 centimeters. So the bust measurement may be up to here with the easing. So this one, the shape of the armhole, as I said, this can just be your guide. So it can go this way if the bust is up to here. So I'm just explaining that this height is movable. We don't have to stick to this mark. This is just a guide. Now we can start drawing our armhole curve. From here, we do a slight curved line, and then we follow this straight line, and we go towards the guide, and we do a slight curved line until the end of the bust measurement or the bust easing. We now have our armhole curve.